Hey everyone, if you want to change the camera resolution in DroidCam for better video quality or smoother performance, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust the resolution step by step. So let's get started. First, open the DroidCam app on your phone and launch the DroidCam client on your computer. Connect your devices using either Wi-Fi or a USB cable, then make sure the camera preview is working properly. Next, look for the video or camera settings in the DroidCam client. Depending on your version, you may see options for resolution before or after connecting. Select a higher resolution if you want a sharper image, or choose a lower resolution if you need better performance on a slower computer or network. If you're using DroidCam in apps like OBS Studio, Zoom, or Discord, remember to check the video settings there as well. Some applications let you choose the camera resolution independently. After changing the resolution, reconnect DroidCam if necessary and check the live preview. If the video becomes laggy, simply switch to a lower resolution until you find the best balance between quality and performance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the camera resolution in DroidCam. Now you can enjoy clearer video or smoother performance based on your needs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next